Hello guys, and welcome to my new tutorial in which I will show you how to quickly and easily get UHD HDR picture from PS4 Pro on LG's UHD TVs. For this demo, I will connect the console with HDMI cable to LG 65C6 OLED TV. This procedure is also applicable to other UHD TVs from LG, although you will see the actual benefit of HDR picture only on LG's OLED and Super UHD 4K LCD TVs. If you happen to have a Samsung UHD TV and want to connect it to PS4 Pro, there is a trick for that combination as well, and it is covered in separate video. For original PS4 and PS4 Slim owners, procedure should be similar, except you will be limited to 1080p with HDR. By default, LG UHD TVs support only UHD resolutions in 60 frames per second with 420 color resolution, which is the reason why PS4 Pro will say that 2160p RGB and HDR are not supported. So even though you have HDR capable TV and PS4 console with latest software update, at best you will be getting UHD picture with standard dynamic range. Good thing is that it is very simple to enable 2160p RGB and HDR, you just need to edit one setting in TV's menus. So procedure is like this. Take TV's remote, go to Home menu, then Settings, All Settings, General, and here select HDMI Ultra HD Deep Color. Now enable it for HDMI input you are using to connect PS4 Pro and agree to restart TV for this change to take effect. Once picture is back, check resolution menu on PS4 Pro. As you can see, 2160p RGB and HDR are now supported. If for some reason it doesn't work, turn off and on TV again or try with different HDMI cable or HDMI port. And this is it, procedure is done. Again, I tried The Last of Us Remastered, which is the only game in my collection that supports UHD HDR picture. Game worked nicely on LG's C6 OLED TV and brought improvement to image dynamics. Even though software update to reduce input lag in HDR mode for LG's OLED TVs is available only for owners in the US, HDR standard picture preset was responsive enough for my gaming experience. So this concludes this tutorial. Check out my channel soon for a new video in which I will give tips on how to connect Sony's UHD TVs to PS4 Pro. Till then, thanks for watching!